coach gave us this list on the last day of training. We have some night before checklist items that it says that we should do. So I'm just gonna go through them. It says, visualize the night before. Visualize yourself doing every grip, squeezing, feet placement, etc. Eat a good and healthy dinner and avoid junk food all day. Drink lots of water leading up to game day and get a good amount of sleep. I'm gonna search up the focus mix that we have. It's supposed to be like a hypnosis for athletes and engrave positive affirmations into your head.
As you feel yourself go deeper, you know peak performance. You did better than well. More in control of what is surrounding you.
I'm gonna play it while I go to sleep. That's all I got for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow morning. First cheer competition of this season. It is called Pink at the Richmond Oval. Now I'm gonna go on to doing my hair. I'm just gonna go through this and talk about it because I think there's a lot of interesting stuff on here. Step 1 was eat a healthy breakfast and pack lots of water for the day. I will be packing my water. I already had a good breakfast. Number 2, stay relaxed and chill and use positive self-talk and affirmations. Number 3 is play routine music while getting ready, makeup and hair. Now, I don't really like doing this. I guess everyone has their own rituals the day of the competition. I don't really like putting my routine music while I'm getting ready because it's just like distracting and I feel like I'm not even really thinking about what I'm doing in the routine while I'm getting ready. So I just was doing my makeup to music, and then probably after I finish getting ready and when I'm in the car, I'll play my cheer music and then I'll like visualize my routine and stuff. I need to do my hair right now. The hairstyle for this year is not my favorite, I'll have to say. It's a low ponytail with a side braid. I know a lot of the girls on my team look really good with it, but I don't look good. So first thing, I need to do a side part. I think that's what it's gonna have to be. So I'm gonna take hairspray and just like okay, so I think that turned out better. Now I'm just gonna pull apart the braid. I'm done with that. So before I start this, I'll just explain a little backstory of like why I'm in cheer. I did gymnastics my whole life, so like ever since I was like 5, and then I did it till I was in grade 12, and then once I was in grade 12, I just didn't want to train so many hours. I would have been training like 24 or 21 hours a week, and with school and like grad events, I just wasn't really down, and I also wasn't enjoying it as much at that time. So me and my friend were like, you know what, let's just try out for cheer. Like it's probably less hours, a little bit like less competitive, which is wrong. I had a lot of wrong assumptions about cheer. Since we already had done gymnastics, we kind of had a little leg up on trying out because we already knew how to tumble and like do jumps and certain stuff. So we got on a restricted 5 level, which was really fun. We went to the summit and I really enjoyed it. And then my friend unfortunately had to leave for school in Toronto, so she could not do cheer with me again this year, but I decided to continue doing it. And then now I'm in level 6 with Ice Queens at Vancouver All-Stars, and I love it. It is so much fun. I'm stoked for this season. We're gonna go to Worlds, we're gonna go to NCA, and all the girls on the team are so nice, and the whole environment of cheer is just so much fun. I think cheer sometimes has a bad reputation, or not reputation, but people think it's like not a sport, or I don't know, people think that cheerleaders are like bitchy. I don't know how else to say it, but I can say firsthand that it's not. I even thought it was because I was, you know, prejudging. Okay, so I'm gonna start pulling my hair. So the other stuff on this list says, arrive at the event knowing you are in control of the something responsibilities that you have in the routine. I tumble and I'm a back spot. I just started back spotting this year. I was a front spot last year. If anyone knows what this is, people might not even know about cheer, but I'm just talking as if you did. And I love back spotting. It is so much fun. So those are my responsibilities this year. So I'm gonna put my bow in. My bow is gorgeous. This is the uniform, this is what the top looks like, and this is the skirt, and then the back just says Ice Queens on. Okay, so this is the ice cream strip that I have. I need to wear this over my uniform. As for other stuff, we just got these backpacks. They're Varsity. We were sponsored by them, and we added like queens to the bottom, which I love. Thank you, Addison and her mom that did that for us. So I'm gonna bring a water bottle. This is just a Swell. I have a foot brace. This, which is like anti-inflammatory heating cream. I think it's like icy hot, if anyone knows what that is. Also for my ankle because it is in much pain. So I'm gonna pack all that. I'm gonna eat before I leave, and then I'm ready to go. I need my cheer shoes. I also cannot forget my red lipstick. This is like the one that we all have to wear, but it's really hard to like get on and off, so I'm gonna wait till we're actually at the competition to put this on. Okay, we are on our way now. I'm the one that gets to drive to the place. It's gonna be like an hour drive, so I'm coming with my dad. Woohoo! It is 4:30. We checked in. No, we didn't.
I meet at 4:45.
Okay, I met at 4, and then I think check-in is at like 5 or something, and then we start warm up at like, I don't know, 5:30. We don't know. But
We
right
go
now,
with the flow.
we've been taking pictures.
The flash was in my face,
Yeah.
and I look like a ghost, but it's fine.
It's what is it?
I don't. Flashback Mary.
Flashback Mary. That is
That's what I
exactly
was
me. My
going
powder
with.
not doing the best for me, but
Wow, we have more
oh
friends.
my god!
tired. We killed it and did so good. Yeah. I forgot what I was doing. I was like, oh. Yeah. We made our goal. We made our goal. We put on a show. It was really good. I'm really tired and it's hard to breathe. And I had fun. Woohoo! I just finished competing. Woohoo! Actually not competing, it was a performance. We didn't compete against anyone. It was actually an exhibition, but it is over, it is done. That was fun. So yeah,